Hey guys, welcome to ABC Cooking, where I show you the recipes I've learned growing up as an American-born Chinese. Today I'm going to show you some tips on how to make my milk tea molten lava cake. For the custard, you can use whatever kind of tea you want. I used black tea, but you can use green tea, matcha, Earl Grey, whatever. You can also use fresh tea leaves if you prefer, but you'll just have to make sure to strain the steeped milk before adding it into the sugar and cornstarch. Keep gently pressing the tea bags until they're fully saturated and the flavor has seeped into the milk. You can see the color difference here. After chilling the custard, you need to loosen it by mixing to check the consistency. The consistency should be close to pudding, but a little bit thinner. If the custard is too thick, mix in 1 tablespoon of milk and check the consistency again. Continue doing this until it's reached the desired consistency. If the custard is too thin, then you'll have to add in 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch dissolved into 1 tablespoon of milk into the custard and reheat and chill again. Once you've got the right consistency, it's time to transfer the custard into molds. I used a silicone muffin tray because it's easy to unmold from, but you can use a regular muffin tray too. You can also spoon the custard into small bowls, but you may need to trim it once it's frozen to make sure it fits inside the ramekin. When it comes to the cake, you have 2 choices. You can either make the molten lava cakes, where the custard flows out from inside the cake, or you can make solid cakes and top with the custard. This recipe will make 3 molten lava cakes or 2 solid cakes. The cake batter is pretty straightforward, but you'll need to be careful when piping the batter into the ramekin. Make sure to completely cover the bottom of the ramekin in a single layer of cake batter so that the custard won't leak out. Once you pipe the walls of the cake, tap the bottom of the ramekin to remove any air bubbles to prevent custard leakage, and tap again after piping on the top layer to level the surface. Once my molten lava cakes were baked, I topped with powdered sugar for one and brown sugar tapioca pearls for the other. You can also top with whipped cream, more custard, matcha powder, chocolate sauce, fruit, really whatever you like. If you don't want to go through the trouble of freezing the custard, then you can just bake a solid cake and top it with thinned out custard. If you wrap the cake with parchment paper, you can top with the custard and pearls and remove the parchment for a lava-like effect. Just make sure to tape the parchment paper together well, or you'll end up with a premature eruption like this. I hope this tips video was helpful and will help make baking the milk tea molten lava cake easy as ABC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.